Hello and welcome to Four Little Bears. If you saw my last short about the free carrot PDF and tutorial, here is the full-length tutorial. So I'll start by opening up Cricut Design Space if you're going to use the SVG, and I'll show you how to work that. The SVG should work in any kind of cutting file. For me, I use Cricut. So you're going to want to find the downloaded free SVG, which will be linked below, and pull that in the same way you pull in any other SVG file. Linked below is a free PDF template that you can also use if you don't have a cutting machine. But if you do, go ahead and add this to your project and follow these steps. Now, in order to cut this properly, we need to take the first top layer of the carrot box, which need to be your score lines, and change them to score line as shown. And then to make sure that it cuts and scores properly, you'll select both of those layers together and attach them. Go ahead and cut it as normal. Or use the free PDF also linked below and cut it out with scissors. The next steps are all going to be the same. So once I've cut these out on my Cricut, I'll go ahead and take them off of my Cricut mat. And all I need to do now is fold on those score lines. So go ahead and fold on all of the score lines. If you need to, you can use a ruler and a score tool and reinforce those score lines. If you did not use the Cricut to cut this out and you're using the template, again, just use a ruler and a scoring tool on top of a mouse pad and make those scores right on top of that template so that you know where those score lines go. And especially if you're cutting this out by hand, it does not have to be perfect. They're still very cute either way. So I specifically made these to fit candies and specifically little Dum Dum brand lollipops. I think Dum Dum's the brand, isn't it? Yeah, Dum Dum brand lollipops. So I'll be putting jelly beans, little Dum Dums, maybe some Reese's Pieces all inside of this. It would be great for also those little fun-sized Hershey's candies. That would be really nice in here too. On this one, I've gone ahead and marked those lines so you can see it a little bit better. And if you're having a hard time with your score lines, just use a ruler like I am here. Line it up with the score line and then pull your paper up around that ruler to help start that score line. I don't know about you, but my Cricut does not do very good score lines. I'm sure there's a setting that I'm just not aware of. If you know it, please comment it down below. I am always open for new tips and tricks. I need them. Once you've got all the score lines folded, just glue the glue tab together and pull your tops up. And for the tops of these, I'm just using a thick satin ribbon and also some yellow ribbon on some of them just to make them cute. This was a short one today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is so fun and simple and easy. Please give it a try. Give this a like, comment, share. Every little bit helps. As always, stay safe, stay blessed, and have a wonderful week. And a happy Easter!